Welcome back to my channel Way to Merchant guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So today's video is going to be very important for those candidates who have done BSc Nautical Science but haven't got their job yet. It is very natural, especially for the BSc, because if you are doing DNS, then you will get a sponsorship first. So it is very easier to get job if you are pursuing the DNS, but it's always been difficult if you are doing BSc, because there is no system of sponsorship after or before doing the BSc Nautical Science. Okay, so for that there is a vacancy related video regarding the marine pilot in Kolkata Port Trust, which is famously known as Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port. Okay, so most of the guys you might not know the name, the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Road. So I am just telling for the information basis. So it is widely known as the Kolkata Port Trust. So notification came out regarding the pilot job. How to apply? There is no examination and all, I think. So I haven't checked it yet. The PDF I have read, but I have to check again. So let's move to my laptop screen. There I will show you each and everything regarding it, and then we'll talk again regarding this topic. So first you go to the Google, write Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port is already coming, no? So go to that, and the second link you will get the vacancy, or if you click from there also. So vacancy, you click, the first notice you will get that PDF file, you just click, and now you see the PDF is here. Okay, so now we will talk regarding it. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port intends 8 trainee pilots, for which applications are invited from the candidates in position of any following marine qualification. So BSc Nautical, second mate, dredger mate, grade 1, grade 2, dredger master grade 1 or equivalent, and first mate, second mate, masters. Okay, so candidates will join as trainee pilot on successful completion of the prescribed training scheme. They would be adjusted against regular vacancies of pilots in scale of pay 70,000 to 2 lakhs per month. Obviously, candidate in position of master grade 1 equivalent certificate would directly join bottom of the pilot scale of pay 70,000 to 2 lakhs. So trainee pilots would be posted at Kolkata or at Haldia, subject to the administrative convenience. However, they would finally be trained for both Kolkata and Haldia channels. So that is the thing. The incumbents, in addition to their emoluments, will be entitled to HRA, cafeteria, LTC, leave encashment, gratuity, provident fund, medical facilities for self and dependent family members. During the training period of the incumbents will be paid monthly salary depending on the entry qualification, which are they followed. So that is the thing. For master, you need to have the 18 months of training period, means 1.5 years. So join as a 70,000 2 lakhs, that depends. If you have the chief mate license, then your basic pay will be start from the 60,000, 25 months is the training period. If you join as a second mate, your salary will be around 50,000 and 40 months, which includes passing of function 1 and function 3 of the first mate examination. So if you have done BSc Nautical, we will have to start pay from the 50,000, 52 months, including the function 1 and function 3 second mates, and function 1 and 3 for the first mate. Means you have to give the exams first, later on you can join as it now. So number of vacancies, OBC 2, UR means general, I think. OBC 2, SC1, ST1, and I think general 4. I don't know what is UR is. So adjustment is higher state subject to requisite examination, and each candidate shall be allowed to maximum 3 attempts to pass each examination. Failing, his or her services are liable to be terminated. Age limit, as on 1st August 2021, not exceeding 25 years of BSc Nautical Science and not exceeding 30 years in case of candidates possessing second mate, first mate, Dredger master, dredge not exceeding 35 years for the master FG candidate. Understood? The upper age limit relaxable, 5 years for ST and SC candidates, 3 years for OBC candidates, and this post is not suitable for PWD category. The selected candidates will be required to execute bond prior joining. They would be served the port period of at least 5 years after qualifying as a pilot, failing which they will pay SMP an amount equivalent to the last 6 months salary. Together the cost training may be determined by the appropriate authority. So this point you please read out very carefully. 6th point. Okay, so now mode of application in the plain paper, furnishing details, biodata including name, date of birth, permanent address, mobile and residential telephone numbers, address for communication, nationality, whether SC, ST, OBC, educational, professional qualification, experience, and any other relevant information. To recent passport size photographs duly signed thereon. So if you don't know how to make a good CV, you go to the I button link. There you will get the video I have already made how to make a good attractive looking CV. Okay, so now should be submitted in sealed envelope superscribing application for post of trainee pilot at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata style, Kolkata Port Trust, to the director, Marine Department, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata at 15 Strand Road, Kolkata 7,01,000. Okay, self-attested photocopies of caste, educational and professional qualification certificates, age proof certificate should be enclosed. Last date of received application is 16th of August. Incomplete application or application received after last date will not be considered. So these 2 points, point 6 and this mode of application, no examination, only basis of your qualification standards as well as a good CV. It will create the impact. Okay, so I think you have understood this thing, that how to apply. Okay, so thank you. So I think you have understood this video that as a BSc Nautical Science you can join the job. As a second mate license holder you can join the job. As a first mate, means as a chief mate license holder you can join the job, and obviously as a master COC holder you can also join the job. So there is 4 criteria: BSc, second mate, your chief mate and your masters. Okay, so now the main problem is that, not problem basically, the thing is that if you join as a your BSc Nautical Science candidate, your training period will be more, around 52 months. So in that training period you will get around 50,000 rupees, and you will get 70,000 to 2 lakh rupees per month when you will become the marine pilot. Understood? So that is the thing I wanted to tell you, and how to apply I have told you, and that is the thing basically.